Fine. So in this Deloitte specific training, first we'll see about the pattern. So we already shared this pattern in the group. Okay, we have test duration for 75 minutes. A number of questions is 42, where 40 MCQs and 2 coding questions. In fact, in this MCQs, actually 38 MCQs and 2 fill in the blanks as well. Not 40, we can say 38 MCQs and 2 fill in the blanks. And 2 coding questions. And all this will be mapped in 5 different sections. So one related to English, where we have 8 MCQs plus 2 fill in the blanks. Reasoning 10 MCQs, technical 10 MCQs, quant 10 MCQs, coding 2 questions. Right, so we have basic thing quant reasoning verbal. Okay, there itself 30 questions, technical MCQs also there along with coding. So total 42 questions. And important thing we have to know before entering to any company discussion is test platform. Test platform is Hirepro, like CoCubes, AMCAT, okay, VBox, and all. There is one test platform called Hirepro as well. So test platform is Hirepro. If you want to practice any concept, okay, just try to type okay Hirepro related questions and you practice those. Because okay, Hirepro, okay, there is a company called Legato also. That's also hire through Hirepro platform only, and Deloitte also using Hirepro. And if you see the questions from Legato and Deloitte, the questions are repeating and similar format only. So better to go for that platform and try to understand what type of questions they are giving from Hirepro. And if you see any set of questions, definitely we have a number series related question. We are discussing now quantum reasoning related stuff. Okay, in the group whatever we shared already, we shared some questions related to technical and coding. Those PDFs already shared in group. Check those things once for your better preparation. And here, if you see about your missing number series is one definite question. And reasoning 10 questions, right? So one among that is number series, one among that is letter series. 1 and 2, question 1 and 2 you can observe. First one number series, second one is letter series. And here they're asking find the missing term or find the next number likewise. So 74, 72, 68, 62, 54. What is the next number? This is we can consider slow decreasing. When numbers are slow decreasing, we have to take difference. Slow increase or slow decrease, we have to take differences. Difference is 2, 4, here it is 6, here it is 8. Next difference should be 10, then answer should be 44. So what will be the missing number is 44, and we can see many set of questions as well. Then again you can identify that there is a question from number series, from letter series as well. Out of 10, 2 you can fix from these two areas, number series and letter series. So next again here if you see letter series, okay, one strategy you need to follow is okay, first letter alone, second letter alone, third letter alone you have to check. For third letter don't try because in all options third letter is H only. Waste of time checking third letter. Better to take first letter and second letter. If you consider all second letters, every term I'm taking only second letter now. Now if you map, this is 18, 20, 22, this is 26. Here I require 24. Second letter must be X. Available only in first option. Second letter must be X. Sir, what about first letter? You can take only first letter. Here it is 4, 6, 9, 2 gap, 3 gap, then 4 gap, then 5 gap. R is 18. So yeah, 13 is nothing but related to M letter. So first letter must be 13, M. Okay, second letter must be X. Third letter no need to do. Every option is suggesting H only as the third option, third letter. And one more question, definitely in that out of 10 questions they are giving, okay, as per the analysis is one from directions. One question from directions they are asking. So this is question related to directions. Sujay is standing towards the south of the library. The library is to the east of the public park, and public park is to the north of the bus stop. In which direction is library from the bus stop? Sujay is standing towards the south of the library. Library is east of public park and public park is north of the bus stop. So fine, okay, you fix something. Okay, let's say bus stop is here. Okay, anything you fix, then you map one by one. I'm considering bus stop is here. They said public park is north to the bus stop. North means above. So public park is north to the bus stop. Fine. The library is east to the public park. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Library is east to the public park. East means like right side. So library is here. And they said Sujay is standing towards the south of the library. Okay, for library south side, Sujit is standing towards south of the library. Okay, library here. Towards south means you have to come down. Now it can be here, it can be here, or it can be here. There are many possibilities because distance is not given. Sujay may be here, Sujay may be here, Sujay may be here. Sujay is south of the library means below. There are many possibilities. So now the question is, in which direction is the library from the bus stop? Right? So question is only up to this. So from the bus stop, this is the reference point. From the bus stop, library is top and right side means northeast. Top means north, right means east, northeast. They cannot ask regarding Ajay because Ajay can be east to bus stop or northeast to bus stop or southeast to bus stop. That we cannot decide, but question is very clear. They're asking library with respect to bus stop. That first sentence also not required. In fact, this is not a required scenario. We can go only with those two directions. And they're asking one puzzle like this, and they're asking three to four questions related to that. Every set, if you observe, there is one puzzle. I think two questions minimum. Okay, I'll say minimum 2 to 4 questions. There is a possibility. They'll ask some puzzle and they'll ask related to that. And this type of similar questions were discussed in Accenture as well, or it is there in, okay, we can say TCS company recruitment as well. So we have a puzzle like four professionals, they're working in different cities on different domains, and they have different hobbies of playing instruments. So we need to map which person from which city and which domain, okay, they are working, because you can see network engineer is one domain, .NET is one domain, test engineer, Java developer, these are different domains and they're from different cities and they have different hobby of playing in instruments. So you need to map, okay, among those four. See, among four, one person is Amit they given. So Amit is one person, here Ajit is one person, there is some person whose last name is Naik. Okay, means some tag is there. So one person is Sunil. Okay, so yeah, fine. And one person name is Pankaj. Pankaj last name may be Pandey. Pankaj last name may be Naik also. Last names also there is a question. So now we need to map all that, and there is a lot of questions related to that. See, this is one. Ajit works in which city? Which of the following is true? They given some combination related to that. And Pankaj and Ajit interchange their last names. What is the last name of Pankaj? So there is last name Shah, Singh, Pandey, Naik. Four people. These are the last names of those four people. One among that will carry Naik, one will take Shah, Singh and Pandey. So here three questions related to the same puzzle. So you just check it out. Okay. Now, okay, Ajit last name is Pandey, but he is a network engineer. Now we need to map all the data into table as we discussed during Accenture Drive as well. So person name and what city, what domain they are working. Here musical instrument I am writing in short MI, and last name. There is something related to last name also important here. Okay, so last name. Name, city, domain, okay, musical instrument, last name. So we'll map the data first of all. Ajit last name is not Pandey, but he is a network engineer and he don't play either guitar or piano. So Ajit is one person name and he is a network engineer. His last name we'll decide later. So network engineer, I'm writing NE in short. And there is a person who is working in Chennai and he plays piano. So city name is Chennai and the musical instrument he plays piano. And Ajit don't play, that also we'll mention. Ajit is not playing guitar or piano. So guitar no, piano also no. Ajit don't play guitar or piano. And Ajit last name is not Pandey. So his last name is not Pandey. We'll mention all the data. So two statements we used so far. And next one is Java developer is working in Chennai. So Chennai person working domain is Java. So Java developer is working in Chennai and his last name is not Pankaj. So his last name is not Pankaj. Okay, fine. Next, they given like Sunil is a test engineer. He's not working in either Bangalore or Hyderabad. So Sunil domain is a test engineer. Okay, and he's not working in either Bangalore or Hyderabad. So he is not working in Bangalore or Hyderabad, and he is not Chennai also because Chennai person is Java developer. So one more city we'll see in the options. So Chennai, he is not Bangalore, he is not Hyderabad. So what is the other city is Jaipur. So definitely Sunil should go with Jaipur only. Sunil Jaipur, and he is test engineer. And they said Sunil last name is not Shah or Singh. So Sunil last name is not Shah. He is not having Singh. So last names is not these things. So fine. Amit also one person waiting, right? So okay, this completed. This statement completed. .NET developer last name is Naik. He is not working in Bangalore, but he plays violin. So there is one person .NET developer. So this is network engineer. So .NET is one candidate is there. Now we have left with two cities, Hyderabad and Bangalore. .NET person not working in Bangalore means he must and should work in Hyderabad. So Ajit should work in Bangalore, and this guy will play violin. So they mentioned clearly, okay, the person who working, okay, the last name is also fixed. Naik is the last name, and he is not working in Bangalore. That's good. He plays violin. So his last name is also fixed. So one guy with all this data is this. So now this can be Amit or one more person. Who is that? Ajit, Sunil, Pankaj. So we have to check regarding that Pankaj as well. Java developer is working in Chennai and his name is not Pankaj. So definitely Pankaj should be this candidate. So Java developer not Pankaj. Last name or name it is? His name, not last name. His name is not Pankaj. So I have to remove this one. So Pankaj is not his last name. So definitely this candidate is Amit. See, here they didn't use the word Amit, but we can see that in the first line. One among that person is Amit. That is here given. So Jaipur is one of the city they mentioned. In paragraph, they discussed regarding Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. The other city is Jaipur. In paragraph, they discussed Ajit, Sunil, Pankaj. One more person is Amit. Okay, and yeah, fine. So now this is Amit and this should be Pankaj. So all four people name and respected cities, respected domains is fixed. Now worry regarding last name and musical instruments, right? Now we need to go for, okay, see, instruments, Ajit cannot go for guitar. We have left with guitar and one more instrument. Okay, Ajit don't want guitar means definitely it should take by Sunil. Sunil should take guitar. One more musical instrument we need to identify and we have to map that here. What is the other musical instrument? piano, violin. Okay. In question, any other instrument? Flute. Flute. So musical instruments also mapped. City, name, domain, all mapped. Now we need to worry about last name. So last name is Shah Singh Pandey Naik. Sunil is not Shah and Singh, means Sunil should be Pandey. We have left with three. Naik is fixed. We left with three: Pandey, Shah, and Singh. Sunil cannot be Shah. Sunil cannot be Singh. So Sunil must be Pandey. And left over is Shah and Singh. I think they given Singh is not playing flute. So Singh cannot be here. Singh should be here. And so in exam, entire question we can display at a time. Here for visibility purpose, we taken different thing. So this is the entire four mapping, and equal importance as we mentioned. We have good number of questions also related to that. And timer is also not one question 1 minute. We have 42 questions altogether, 75 minutes, including coding. Altogether 75 minutes, including coding, two codes and MCQs together 75 minutes. Next, Ajit works in which city? We came to know it's nothing but Bangalore. Which combination is correct? Amit is correct, Chennai is correct, piano correct. So this is correct if you see those data, Amit, Chennai and piano. Next, other question they asked is if Pankaj and Ajit interchange their last name, so what is the last name of Pankaj? Means they're asking for Ajit. Ajit last name is Shah, it seems. The interchange means Ajit will go to Pankaj. So sorry, Pankaj last name we require. They're asking, yeah, last name of Pankaj is nothing but Shah, which is for Ajit should come. Ajit last name will go to Pankaj. So what is Ajit last name is Shah. Indirectly they're asking that only. So Shah is the answer. So here I shown three questions. They'll ask four also. Okay, maybe additional to that. So puzzles you need to work in reasoning part, and they're asking these type of questions. Visual reasoning also, 2 to 3 questions you can see. Visual reasoning or image based reasoning, many people will understand better. With image based reasoning, they're asking questions in reasoning, all this stuff. Image based reasoning also. See, they are putting quant and they're giving questions related to reasoning also, don't worry. So it's about okay whether you attempt the question or not is simple. Now see the logic here, row wise some logic is happening. In first row if you see, or column wise also you can observe. First row if you observe, A and B common is what C. I am saying this is A, this is B, this is C. In A and B common part is nothing but C. Middle line is common part, they given middle line. Here also the common part in these two is middle one. Here the common part is entire full line, vertical line. So option C. Certain logic will be there. Okay, if you understand, okay, option C is the answer here. Visual reasoning related questions also they are focusing. And again, see this is series. Next diagram, this is also image based reasoning. If you observe that 0 is fixed, it is not moving at all. So 0, the option D I can eliminate because 0 is disturbed. I think if you have a look, okay, we'll observe here 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. I think 0 should be here. Now think about exclamatory. We'll call this as some positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, exclamatory is initially at first position, then at third position, then at fifth position. Next should be at seventh position, means exclamatory should appear here. This place because it's one next to this is third slot, this is fifth slot we call, next is seventh slot. One skipping. So that's there only in option B. So that is eliminating remaining. So what about hash, sir? You can analyze regarding hash also. Hash is initially at 6th place, then 5th place, then 4th place, then it should come to 3rd place. 3rd place means it should be here. Okay. In fact, all options hash is fixed. Options wise, if you observe, no need to look into that hash because hash is same position in all options. So option B is correct. The deciding factor is actually only exclamatory symbol. Next, this is like, okay, they given, it's very simple question. 0 equal to at the rate they mention, 1 equal to, and they define each number some symbol, 2 equal to copyright, 3 equal to hash, 4 equal to percentage, 5 equal to some delta do, 6 is dollar, 7 is p, okay, and 8 is nothing but star, 9 is nothing but L. Now they given 816720345 is code as what? So where our 8 is that we need star. I have to start with star. Every option started with star only. Next element is 1. 1 means nothing but at the rate. So they given then the form of the number. Yeah, 1 is nothing but and symbol. 6 is nothing but dollar. So I have to see. Okay, I think this option eliminated. Fine, and last one is 5. 5 means do. This is L they given. It's wrong. Now here and here, what is the mistake is, yeah, third next letter itself, 7. They given here at the rate, but 7 is P. That's available in second option. Okay, this is simple like mapping. Okay, number, they given a code. Just we are mapping that. No logic, nothing. Next, wrong term in the series. They given a series. You need to identify the wrong term. These are all recent Deloitte questions are Hirepro related questions, Hirepro platform questions we can say. So one wrong term is there, we need to identify that wrong term. If you observe the series, it is decreasing and increasing, means mixed series. If it is mixed series, it is like 2 separate series combined or 3 separate series also. I'm taking alternate numbers 11, 20, 40, 74. And the other numbers are 5, 12, 26 and 54. If you observe this, this is 7, here 14, here 28. Yeah, logic correct. 7 double is 14, 14 double 28. There is no problem with this. Here 9, here 20, actually it should be 80. Then here 36. Means if it is 38, instead of 40, if 38 is there, 9, then 18, then 18 double 36. That is satisfied if that is the case, but problem is here. So 40 is the wrong term. In place of 40, we require 38. Wrong term in the series. This is increasing, decreasing. Minimum 2 series or sometimes 3 series also we have. So this is a different question. A square garden has 14 posts along each side at equal interval. How many posts are there in all 4 sides? It seems very easy. Okay, and some people will do mistakes as well. 14 in each side. A lot of people think about, sir, 14 into 4, 56, but it's wrong. This is quant related question, not reasoning, but still fine. They're combining all together. You can navigate, and one important thing, okay, instruction is navigation allowed. We can start directly with any question. Out of 40 questions, you have MCQs and also navigation allowed. That point I need to update. Navigation allowed. It's almost like a CoCubes platform. You can start at any question, you can go ahead, similar to CoCubes. You can start any section, any question. Navigation allowed between questions and sections. You can come to previous question, all those are allowed. Hello. Yeah, and this question, I think we are done with. Yeah. So 14 into 4, 56 is wrong because here we have 14. Okay, including this post up to here 14 is there. This side, right side also you take 14. 14 like okay, considering all these things so far 14. Okay, but problem here we don't have 14. Here these two are already counted. In this side 14, but 2 will be these corners. Or what is the better way is 12 into 4 means at 4 at the corners. 14 okay, better is this. I'll say 12 here, 12 here, 12 here, 12 here, and 4 at the corners. If you see this one and this one, okay, 14 together. This is 14. So 12 into 4 plus 4 at corners. 52 is the answer. Lot will go for 56, thinking like 14 into 4, but this is a bit tricky question where you may do something wrong. So 52. Next, they ask regarding data interpretation in quant. The area which they focus more is data interpretation. This is data interpretation. They given some table that too related to table only. They're asking more. Yeah, fine. So here the product in different months. This is regarding sales. It seems. And for this table, they can ask 2 to 3 questions also. Yeah, how much you are importing apples from different countries. This is regarding okay the data. What is the average monthly income, monthly growth in the imports of apple from Australia? I think 66.24. Okay, average monthly growth. Fine. So Australia they are asking, right? This table is related to monthly growth only. We need to take average of this. What is the growth happening first? Is it percentage? I'll check with the screenshot once. Is it because sometimes they'll ask regarding percentages as well? One moment. Deloitte. This is converted from screenshots to text. I'm trying to open the original thing. Yeah, value only, not percentage. So the question is, this is actually average monthly imports of apple in 1000 kilograms. This table is related to average monthly imports of apple in 1000 kilograms. So this is average only already, and this is imports. Now growth, what is the growth? Average monthly growth in the imports of apple from Australia. So from Australia, what is the growth? Fine. From which month to which month? I think there is some continuation actually. Again, that screenshot is missed. So one, some continuation is there. Okay, let me find it out. growth in the imports of Apple from Australia. So we'll see this question later. I think that some continuation part is missing, so I'll check. Yeah, the problem here is there is a typing error. This is 50335. This is 55,114. 99927. Yeah, fine. So we'll see. Okay, the growth here is something. Here, growth is something. So they may ask regarding the average of those growth. Difference is actually we have 14,000 something. Right, so close to 14,000. So divided by, okay, I think that's better. Okay, this 41,666 becomes 55,114. Right, so the growth how much in 2 months? So I'll divide by 2 because of 2 months. So overall growth is that 55,114 minus 41,666. I got 13,448 is the growth. As it is average, we are doing divided by 2, which is 6,724. So option B. So here it is not 80,000, 50,000 something. So growth is there. Yeah, first one growth. Second, or else you can do first one how much growth? Around 8,000 something. This next one is 4,000, 5,000 something, or 4,000 something. Those two adding divided by 2. Overall, take overall growth as 2 months are involved. January to February, one growth. February to March, one more growth. Divide by 2, not divided by 3. They're not asking average of the value, growth. Growth is happening only 2 times. Here to here to divided by 2, not divided by 3. So 6,724. And this is the under set where again you can see this is not in the same set. This is under set. So in under set again reasoning we can focus on letter series like this where they given A, D, G, J. What is next? It's 1, 4, 7, 10. Next should be 13. M letter. So it's starting with M, there are many things. Okay. And second letter, if you observe, or else one more logic. Fine, we go for second letter separately. B, F, J, N. I think next should be R. So two options. Yeah, only M R, only one option. This is 2, 6, 10, 14, and 18. And as we discussed, image based questions they're asking. Okay, you can check it out here. This is, we can say, paper cutting related. When you unfold, okay, this first thing, this corner should be a pentagon with dot. Every option is having that. When you unfold, no, this symbol will come down in reverse here. A same pentagon only will come in a reverse way. Like this it will come and we have a dot above. Okay, that's there in option D. Simple logic is that. Because when you have above and you have to fold, unfolds, this is in reverse way. Now fold it, you cut, now we have to unfold. So while unfolding, you have to open like this, so then that should be reverse. Exactly dot below dot on that shape, reverse should be required. That's there in option D, no need of further discussion. And when you open like this, the right side will reflect in the left side. So everything is perfectly there in this one. Paper cutting related. So again, data interpretation, 3 different years. Okay, 1990, 2000, 2010. Okay, world and Asia energy demands. Okay, the demand is the given million barrels per day, and this is the graph related to that. Related to world and Asia, how much energy is demanding in millions per day, likewise. So fine. Now question is, okay, which fuels proportion the total energy demand increased over the decade 1990 to 2000 and decreased over 2000 to 2010. for both. See, it's only clear observation only. So 1990 to 2000 it should increase, but 2000 to 2010 it should decrease, and that is only for both. It should be for world and Asia both should reflect. So first it should be increasing. Which one is increasing? 50 to 70 increasing, 30 to 40, 50 to 60, 10 to 20. Hydropower we can remove because it's same. 150 to 200, okay. And this one also should increase. Asia 4 to 10, 0.5 to this, this is okay. Except hydropower, remaining all are fine. But then 2000 to 2010 it should decrease. 70 to 80 increasing, 40 to 50 increasing, 60 to 75 increasing, but they're asking percentage. Everything is increase only. Percentage also value should it together, is it? One second. Total energy together. So we need to do total. Okay, then I need to add together. The total energy is 54. Here 30.5, 54, 10.5, 11, 160. I think better we can do in a horizontal way. Time will save actually. 54 and 80 increasing. Here 95 increasing. I want decreasing here. Fine, okay. And in fact, individually increasing will happen also. Overall, it will be same case. We'll see. Okay, 42.5, 55. It is percentage means okay. 65, 85, 21. 26.3, 11.5, 22. This is 220. This is 283.3. So everything increasing only. Or is it difference? Fuel's proportion in the total energy. Fuel's proportion among total energy. Petroleum, solid fuels, nuclear, natural gas. See, actually, this is the total. Total is already there. Fine. Fuels proportion out of total. Okay. Wait, that's what we need to read the question carefully. So in specific trends is the advantage. We may see what is the mistakes we are doing. Okay, now if you check it out, okay, out of total, right? So petroleum out of total. Petroleum is 50 or together also you can check 54 out of 160 petroleum. Or okay, we can take it like individual also. 50 out of 150 means 0.33. Petroleum out of total. 50 out of 150. 1 by 3 means 0.33. Here 4 out of 10 means 0.25. This is 0.25. This is 0.33 into 1990. Here 70 out of 200 means 0.35. Here 80 out of 250 in 2010, which is 1 by more than 3. So it's like okay, 0.32, 0.32 it seems. Okay, 0.32. It's decreasing only. Petroleum increasing 0.25 to 0.35, 0.35 to 0.32 is decreasing. We need to check for Asia as well. Okay, Asia for 0.25. Here 10 out of 20 means 0.5. Here 15 out of 33.3. 33.33 means 1 by 3. 100 by 3, okay. So that 3 will go to number. This is 0.45. That's also decreasing. That is also decreasing. Fine. I think petroleum is satisfying that. Petroleum increasing and decreasing. That. So we'll check with one of this also. What is that? Solid fuels, nuclear, natural gas. If we check natural gas related, 30 out of 150 means 1 by 5, which is 0.2. 0.5 divided by 10 means 0.05. Here 40 out of 200 means 1 by 5, 0.22. No increase actually. We need natural gas, petroleum should increase. Okay, here there is no change. So natural gas is not correct. And nuclear also 10 out of 150. Here 20 out of 200. 20 out of 200 means 0.1. 10 out of 150 is less than 0.1 anyhow. Okay. Here this is again, yeah, here there is no decrease. 20 out of 200 is 0.1. 25 out of 250 is 0.1. There is no change. From there to there, decreasing required. So nuclear not satisfied. They given options: petroleum, natural gas, nuclear, and also petroleum already satisfied actually for us. Okay, so we can go with petroleum. You can check like this. This is the procedure. They're asking fuel proportion. We didn't read it properly, so petroleum is correct. Next, as usual, this similar model as we discussed, Hirepro is following this type of question more and more. I think first letter, second letter, third letter. First letter, it may be P, it seems. So 24, 22, 20, 18. Next should be 16, which is P. Second letter, also P, it seems. So T, S, R, Q. It's P, Q, R, S, T. So second letter also P. Last letter, E, F, G, H, I. This is second letter. Third one is 1 1 increasing. Second one 1 1 decreasing. PPI is the answer. Similar to one what we discussed in previous, one is at the rate. Likewise here, for every letter there is something fixed actually. Blog spot, right? All those letters are already available in bottle and poster. If you observe wherever T is there, they given percentage only. T came 2 times, here percentage came 2 times, means T is percentage. You can verify here also. T is third from last, here also T third from last. I think here typing mistake for ER. That also okay. Here I think there is some typing error. It's not both 8 8. No. E will be 8, R will be something else. It's not same. This is not 8, it seems. That's what we have in data. We need to check from that one. While converting or while typing, it may went wrong. But still, okay, B will be hash. Okay. L as per this so far, L means and so these two eliminated. O means two required, so first option. Okay, but R is not that one, so that is, yeah. I have that question, I'm just opening it. Similarly, they given couple of questions in the same lines. Next one, first one, certain logic is there, same logic we need to apply. Pentagon, right side pentagon only. Here hexagon, here we need hexagon, so all options hexagon only, but internal elements movement we need to observe. For previous one, it's dollar actually. This last one is dollar. Yeah, so if you have a observation, so this is moving clockwise. Empty square box is moving clockwise one step, whereas the shaded one going anti-clockwise one step. So I have to go shaded one anti-clockwise means it should come in this place. Shading should come to this place. Anti-clockwise. This is going. Whereas this is going clockwise. So it should come here. Option E. But here in options that is in different order. C, A, D, B. We need to see where A is there. So odd one out we need to find in this diagram. So among options, one is different one. This is all given in Deloitte recent question. So odd one out I need to pick. One is different among all those three. If you observe, okay, here triangle arrow, triangle arrow, triangle arrow, okay. Hash, 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 okay. Here circle dot, circle dot, circle dot, okay. Likewise, we need to observe. I think option D is the problem. This shape, if you observe now, here it's different. Here, these two are shaded part. These two shaded, these two shaded. Here, these two shaded, these two shaded. Okay, here only one shading. So option D. Maybe sometimes what they do know, okay, those elements, triangle and arrow is not there in one among that. Below triangle shape or some other shape will be missed. So we need to check each and everything. So here at the rate is there. Above one also everything common. I think only worry with that below. Now this is like they given some steps. Okay, you need to follow those steps and they want finally odd number. So for which of the option odd number will come finally? We have to take the input, it's like pseudo code. We need to subtract from 5 from that, multiply by 6. Okay, if greater than 90, move to step 5 directly, or else step 4, add 18, then divide 4, then finally multiply by 3. Right. So I think, okay, my guess is like, okay, two odd numbers, two even numbers is given, right? So I think you try with one odd number, one even number, if not, or okay, let us take equation like A, subtract 5, but still this is again problem. Greater than 90, moving to step 5. That we cannot take A and all, we should take with some value only. This 90 greater or not, we have to check. So yeah, we'll take 25. Okay, let's take 25. So 25 minus 5 means 20. Okay, first step completed. Second step is multiplied by 6, 120. Greater, we are going directly for the fifth step. Divide by 4, 30. Multiply by 3, we got 90. So we want odd results, so 25 is not giving. Similarly, if you try for 21, we just think about 21 minus 5, 16. Right, so 16 multiply by 6, 96. Greater only 96 divided by 4, 24. 24 into 3, 72. 21 also not giving that. So we should try for 26. So it is 26 minus 5 is 21. Then 126. 126 divided by 4 will be some decimal, not odd number. We don't get odd number, we'll get some points. Odd number means it should be integer. So I think 18 will help us. 18 subtracting 5, 13 multiply by 6, 78, and it is not greater than 90, then I have to go for step 4, adding 18. 96 divide by 4, 24 multiplied by 3, 72. Okay, I think with 26 what will happen? 26 minus 5 is 21, multiplied by 6 is 126, dividing by 4 will give 30. Yeah, 63 divided by 2, 31.5. Multiply by 3 is not odd number. Again, is there any typo error here? We have to check. Procedure is same, nothing wrong. And there is one question like how many vowels in the given sentence also they asked one such question. Attention to details. How many vowels in the given? Yeah. Subtract 5 from the number. Okay. Multiply by 6. If greater than 90, then move to step 5. Add 18. Or something is there actually. If not, something should be done here. There is some. If it is not greater than 90, here what is next step might be there. If it is not greater than 90, they will mention you have to do something. That is missed actually. If greater than 90, move to step 5. If not, if they are else, we have to do something. That step is missing there. Fine, but this all cases fail, right? I think here there may be some issue with 18 only correct it seems. But okay, if we miss that or this condition third one fail, whether we have to go for the last step or what we don't know. That is an issue. Or go for step or else maybe they're asked to repeat step 2. If greater than 90, move to step 5 or else go to step 1. If suppose they go for step 1, let us think in that way. If we go for step 1, 78 minus 5 will be 73. 73 multiplied by 6, then divide by 4. Okay, great. Step greater than that. Okay. Or directly multiplying by 6, 78 multiplying by 6, then divide by 4. Yeah, I think it might be like if it is not okay, then go for step 2. Else, step 2 will be there. If you go for step 2 again, as it is failed, if 78 multiplied by 6, okay, it's definitely greater than 90. Then we'll go for step 5, dividing by 4. Okay, then it is giving 117 odd number. Odd number multiplied by odd number will give odd only. So some data is definitely here. It will give 117. 117 into 3 is odd number, 351. So I think 18 will be the case. Okay, here some else means there is some condition. Okay, that is missing. Okay. Greater than 90. So this is a procedure. Simple logic is that. Don't worry. They'll give question correctly in exam. We are not getting full data. Here the students are sharing some screenshots. We are getting some data which is missing as well. No worry. Problem is only how to solve the question. And this one, 6 numbers are given. If 25 is added, after arranging the digits in ascending order with the numbers, then how many of them are? Here also question is repeated or not repeated, something stuff will be there. If 25 is added to each of the above numbers after arranging the digits in ascending order within the number, then how many of them are? So we'll see, then we'll decide. So first we have to put that in ascending order. So 182 become 128. Next one 357. Next one is 456. Next one 289. Next one is 165. Next one is 267. So not 165, 156. After arranging the digits in ascending order, so first we had to arrange the digits within the number in ascending order. So we put, okay, 182 as 128, 357, 456, 289, 156, 267. Now they are adding 20 5. You have to add 25 to each. 25 to each. Then what will happen? First one is 153. Next one is 382. Next one is 481. Next one will be 304. Sorry, 340. Next one is 181. Next one is 292. Okay. Now they may ask regarding what? No, this is done. Now what they're asking last line. How many of them are? That is missing actually. This is comes under attention to details. Concept is attention to details. As per this Hirepro point of view, they call it like attention to details. Let me check this, what they're asking. Okay, we arrange it. Then what is the question? So generally what they'll ask you, okay, like uh, fine. How many have middle numbers greater than the last number? Now you got this all numbers. So middle greater than last number. Okay, likewise the math. So here if you see there are maybe they'll ask like that. So middle number greater than last number is this is middle number greater than last number. Middle greater than last. This is no. This is middle greater than last. Here middle greater than last 4. Or sometimes the last first digit greater than last digit. First greater than last digit, no, fail. Here first greater than last, correct. Here correct. Here no. Here no. Here no. Only two cases. First greater than last means two cases. Okay. Or like say middle digit greater than the last digit or second digit greater than, like that they'll ask actually. Here's what is that question is missing. Next related to directions. With or without diagram, it's your wish. You have to try this question once. A man travels towards the south from his home after traveling for 15 kilometers, turning left and also. Here where it is right and left, okay, we can go directly without diagram. So initially we are going south, 15 south. Left means we have to go anti-clockwise, we will get east, 25 east. Right means again you are going to south clockwise. Then again left means east. So this is the case. So 70 east, 25 east, 95 east. Here 15 south, 40 south, 55 south. So shortest distance means okay, square root of the direction should be southeast. The question is between his home and the temple, in which direction is the temple from his home? So home is here. house here. So direction they are giving southeast is not given. Okay. Towards the south from his home. Okay. After traveling for 15 kilometers, you are turning left. From south, left side means east. Then 25 kilometers. Okay, 40 south. Again turning right. South right side is, so still there is some extra data I missed. This is 25 still is there. 25 for south right side means west. Then for west left side means south. 70 south. So these two cancel. 85, okay, 15, 110 plus 15, 125 south. All south only. So from home to temple, it's all together 125 south. Option third. Right means clockwise, okay, left means anti-clockwise. Without diagram, we can do still easily. Next, again, similar to that, what we discussed, okay, 6, 3, 4 people, 4 cities like that. Here, 6 people on a holiday trip, they want to go for 6 different places. Okay, so 6 different people, 6 different places, 6 different cars they are using. So we have to just map all those data. And finally, as we discussed, they may ask plenty of questions related to this. 2 to 3 questions also fine. So which person, which city, that is what we need to for a holiday trip. So Sujay, Ramya, Murthy, Dinesh, Lakshmi, Abhilash. So we have clearly all those people here. So 6 people, 6 different names. We'll map it one by one. So now finally question is one among that is Sujay went to which place? The other question is which of the following is not true? Okay, car and city combination they given. Then I ask you person, car and city combination, any other thing. So this is second question. This is the other one. Fine. So first we'll try to complete this. 6 people. Okay, that too one thing clearly mentioned is Abhilash is which city they mentioned. Abhilash is going with Mumbai. And he is not going with Jen. So not with Jen. Okay. Next, Lakshmi went to Chennai. And Alto, either Pluto or not own either Pluto or not. So not going with Alto, not Pluto. So these two out. We came to know 3 car names so far. Dinesh BMW is not going Hyderabad or Coimbatore. So Dinesh car is fixed BMW. Not going for Hyderabad, not going for Coimbatore. So those two eliminated. Next, Murthy's car is not Alto, but he is going to Bangalore. So Murthy going to Bangalore, but not Alto. So Murthy, Bangalore, not Alto. Okay, I think Ramya going in a ridge and not going for Mysore or Coimbatore. Ramya, no Mysore, no Coimbatore, but car is rich. So one more person with that, Sujay, I think. So Sujay going for which place and which car? Sujay not interested to go to Hyderabad, but he has Skoda. So Skoda is the car. Not going to Hyderabad. Okay. Now, okay, we came to know three cities are fixed. Abhilash, Lakshmi, Murthy. Now, Dinesh is left with three cities now. Like, okay, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, M stands for Mumbai. So when Dinesh not going with Hyderabad or Coimbatore, only city left over is Mumbai. So Dinesh go with Mumbai. Now two left over is Coimbatore and Hyderabad. Ramya not Coimbatore means Ramya going to Hyderabad. Sujay not Hyderabad means Sujay going with Coimbatore. So city is completed. Now question is Sujay went to which place? Sujay go with Coimbatore. Next other thing BMW Mysore. M stands for Mysore, sorry, not Mumbai. Mysore. Then where is this Mysore came? Okay. Ramya not to Mysore or Coimbatore. Abhilash went to Mumbai. Fine. Anyhow. M is Mysore. Okay. Here, this MU is Mumbai. This is Mysore. Okay. Fine. Anyhow, that's not an issue. Now, what is the question? Which are the following? BMW Mysore? Yes, correct. BMW Mysore is the correct. Not true. Not true. They are asking. This is true only. The next Skoda Coimbatore. Skoda going with Coimbatore is true. We want false one. Next one is Jen going with Chennai. So Jen that we need to decide. Okay, now cars related, three are fixed. These two people say no for Alto. Then Alto should be for Abhilash. Now two cars are left over, Punto and Jen. Okay, this you don't want Punto. This should go for Jen. This is going for Punto. This is also correct combination only. Chennai and Jen is correct. I think some other option. There is four options. This is first one, second one, third one. There is some fourth option which is rewarding that. Okay, so that might be true. So these all combinations are correct only. The question is not to true they are asking. Yeah, Punto going with Hyderabad. So we have a fourth option readily available. We have Punto Hyderabad. No, Punto going with Bangalore. So that's the one which is we're saying. Okay, so Punto going with Hyderabad is correct. Next, again, related to that series, first letter C is plus 3, M plus 3 is P, first letter is P. Numbers, if you observe, 21, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9, negative we'll get because 3 difference, 5 difference, 7 difference. Yeah, that's why I think there is some dash they given. I removed it actually. Minus 9, it's minus 3 correct only. Here they given some dash, I thought of some mistake. It's minus 3. It may be okay. This is removed. There is some negative, okay. Minus 3, all let it be. Now we'll decide first letter already P. Second letter I, J, M. So 9 and 10, 1 gap. 10 and 13, 3 gap. Here 18, 5 gap. Next should be 7 gap. 25 Y required. So PY minus 3. Now, as we discussed previously, paper folding and cutting, again, same scenario. So we need to unfold left side. So there is an arrow in 4. Okay, so here we have an arrow mark like this. When you unfold okay, to the left side, it will be arrow here. But then you unfold like this, arrow will come like this. Because you fold it down, it will put it up, it will be like that. So that's available in option D. Okay, bottom should reflect as it is in top. Symmetry should be maintained actually. Here no symmetry anyway. Here no symmetry. Whether you're taking horizontal like this means above and below should follow symmetry. So above and below symmetry not there. Here symmetry not there. Above and below symmetry not there. So only thing satisfying symmetry is that. Next, attention to detail. So okay, we saw one question like 25 is added. Similar to that, here they given this paragraph. Now in above sentence, count the number of times a letter E is immediately succeeded by a consonant. You need to focus on the letter E, and you need to count only when it is succeeded, means followed by consonant. Succeeded means followed. So after that, consonant required. So E after consonant, how many times is there, that we need to count. Attention to details. We need to focus on those details. So what is the answer here? Gold prices are highly dynamic and are affected by a wide range of factors, from strength of the US dollar to seasonal demand in the country. Gold is purchased in India primarily as junior jewelry and ornaments. So there is one word missed here. India primarily, in fact, there is no E in that. No, so primarily as jewelry and ornaments, following the trend of most of the country when it comes to gold usage. So fine. So we need only focus on E followed by consonant. Here, okay, E followed by consonant, E followed by consonant, E followed by consonant, E followed by consonant, E followed by vowel no, E followed by consonant, 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 E followed by consonant. Okay. E followed by consonant, E followed by consonant. No, this is question, sorry. From here it is question. Don't count this below. This way should not count. So in above one is okay. How much count? 3, 5, 9, 12 only I got. But 13 is there. Anything missed? Yeah, this is missed. In purchased we missed one. So 13 is what we got. Right. So if you count everything, maybe like here there is something where E followed by all also there. Two cases it seems it's there. So if you count it again, it may go for 15 or something. So we have to be clear. Attention to details as per the name. Yes, it's satisfied. Now again paragraph. So paragraph definitely 2 to 3 questions. Read the following information. Okay, 6 passengers, PQ, RST, and U. So almost similar to that cities. Now they went to the case where okay, you're traveling in 6 different bogies of train and 6 different shirts. So we need to check which bogie, which color shirt, right? So P is traveling in sixth bogie. Q is traveling in fourth bogie and he is not wearing yellow or white shirt. S is wearing black shirt and is not traveling in first bogie. U is traveling in second bogie. I'm just trying to combine all into one paragraph. Actually, in exam, they're giving separate lines so that, okay, you may not feel it's a difficult one. T is wearing blue shirt. I'll add it that statement here. So question finally, who is wearing white shirt? So R is wearing red shirt and is in bogey. You can eliminate the options also some cases. One more option is that generally four options will be given. Here one is missing. So R is traveling in third bogey, red shirt. So R third, red. T sixth, which is we don't know. SC is wearing black shirt, but not first one. Not first one. U is second, not pink, not yellow. Okay. S is wearing black color. Fine. P we don't know, and there is one more data. R is in third one, and we taken red. T is wearing blue shirt. So one more person. P Q Q. Yeah, Q is fourth bogey. Not wearing yellow. Not wearing white. Okay. So actually, the colors we came to right now. Red, black, blue is fixed. Yellow should be fixed. Yellow not taken by Q. Yellow not taken by U. Yellow should be taken by P. Next leftover is white and pink. Q don't want white means you take white. Q don't want yellow. Oh, okay, pink means Q will take pink. Q will take pink. So this is the colors. Now question is regarding who is wearing white shirt is nothing but you. That's the first option itself. Maybe they will ask you which bogey also. That also will complete. There will be generally question related to which bogey they belongs to like that. Now, okay, S is not one means T is first bogey then. T will go first bogey. Okay, S is not one. So then S will go with fifth bogey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X will go with fifth bogey. So six different bogies here. You can see six different bogies only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as S is not one, I have to take S as 5, T as 1. They may give combination. Okay, which person, which bogey, which color, or bogey and color combination, something like that. So once you are done with this paragraph, then I can address any question related to that. That's not a big deal. Next, you okay, odd one out concept. One among that is different. We need to find which is different among this. Three of the votes will be in the same classification, the remaining will not be. So we need to find one different one. So what's your logic? Okay, mouse, deer, cat. Mouse is computer. Okay, mice is different, mouse is different, right? Remaining all are animals are maybe living beings, something likewise we can consider. So mouse is the order. And if you check this question related to statements and conclusions, so statement and conclusion should be definitely true. Okay, with respect to statement, is it definitely true or not? We have to check. First conclusion is no way related to the statement. They are not discussing regarding producers. Somebody produced, somebody consumed that. Okay, so producers related they didn't given. We cannot say they do not run into problems that I cannot decide. Okay, manufacturers or producers do not run into problems with the products they manufacture. That I cannot say. That is not discussed in the question. Second one, if you are a consumer, chances are there, not sure. There is chances are there that you have run into problems with the product that you bought or a service due to the service or due to the product you purchased. There is a chances. The here products and services are not defect free. That I cannot say. The chances is that they not use the word chances. If you are a consumer, okay, you have to run into problems. If they don't use the word chances, if you are a consumer, you have to run into problems with the product you purchased or service you taken. If they given, then I can say second one, your products and services are not defect free. But chances is the word used, I cannot say now. So conclusion means definitely you have to decide. Conclusion is the one which is definitely true. Here I cannot say. I cannot decide is it defect free, not defect free or not. I cannot decide. So neither one, not two. We can go with neither one, not two here.